survive in 5,000 days because yeah, because with brother we're gonna survive many thousand days to reach so many days. But first we're gonna get the campfire to level 6. You do it by yourself. Day 33. Some people have approached the campfire. No, here. My brother's gonna save the squid kid. You wanna show my brother's face, Marble? He's so scared. Guys, this is my brother's face in real life. Talk, fly. Ah! No, my brother, where's he? Yeah, so far. But first, bye! Yeah? Okay. Malapit ako ng ending. Atake mo. Ay, kukulat lang ako ng banis. Ito maraming food. Yeah, get it. Ha? Yeah, punta ako dyan mamaya. Ito rifle. And pwede mo ba yung maraming food na dito? Sorry, I'm chopping something. Yeah, chopping something. Because we're playing Survivor 99 Nights with my brother and all my cousins. Yeah, we're gonna reach day 50. Yes, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Wait! Boy! Nandiyan ka na! Hindi ako exercise ka. Ganito ko ba ito? Ano kailangan mo dyan? Yung axe. Strong axe. I really want that. Chop sa wood line. Asan? Doon sa ano? Sa malaking tree. Ito? Ay, dito! May katabi dito! Oh, dito! Chop! Chopping. Matagal? Six ba? Wala na, ilinis natin doon sa ano? Sa biopasser. Mag-grow na ba itong ano? Nag-grow yung kanina yung farm plot. But I'm gonna find something. Nag-eat na ako. Isa, dati ba? Skip! Yun! How many are they? Ang dami na lang! Ito, Cosmo. Sabi ko sa'yo. I found the shelf, but huh? The bird trap! Yeah, that's perfect! Come here, guys! Come here! Para ko mag-watch na lang. Na-forgot ko kasi using medicate. Yeah, we died again. Nabagin na, diba? Yeah. Ang sayo yun!